In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to tap on Gallery app and select Photos or Collections. Either way, after locating your pictures that you wish to delete, hold the chosen one. And then use this square at the top right corner to pick multiple right away. To keep some of those photos, click on the ones that you wish to exclude. And then to delete the rest, use this pin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!